Rohit Singh is getting us more details on that story, joining us from Patna. Rohit, this is playing out in the court as well. The Supreme Court looking into this matter, set to hear it on Thursday, which is tomorrow, but playing out on the streets as well, with Mahagathbandhan raising this issue. It's once again the Mahagathbandhan versus the Election Commission, isn't it?
Well, the SIR is being dealt administratively also and legally also. As far as administratively is concerned, pressure is being mounted on the Election Commission to roll back the decision of conducting SIR in Bihar. And right now we are at Bihar. And this entire supporters, huge supporters who have gathered here, they will be allowed here from here on. Nobody will be allowed to move an inch further because after this is the restricted area, and you can see that heavy police deployment put in place. All the supporters, thousands of them in number, they have all reached the Vidhan Sabha, but this is where they have all been stopped here, not being allowed to move further, because from here just 200 meters away is the assembly, I beg your pardon, is the Election Commission office, and you can see RJD, Congress and left leaders and supporters all here in large numbers, and the police has put up barricades here and have stopped everyone here, not allowing them to move any further. But this is a big showdown, and what we are learning is that a delegation of a few leaders will be allowed to meet the Election Commission and submit a memorandum in which Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav will be there, few left leaders will be there. So I believe that just 5 to 10 people or leaders, you can say, they will be allowed to move from this area and go to the Election Commission to meet the EC and also submit a memorandum. And here you can see police having a difficult task on hand, because the supporters of RJD Congress are just fighting it out on the streets of Patna. You can see it's a clash that is taking place. The party supporters and workers trying to break the barricading here. You can see how RJD and Congress workers trying to break the barricade and the police trying to hold them up here. And this is getting violent. This protest is now getting violent because these party workers are not in a mood to stop here. They want to reach the Election Commission office, and just behind them is Tejasvi and Rahul Gandhi, who have already reached this spot. And it's massive showdown that is taking place on the streets of Patna, just outside the Bihar Assembly, because this is a restriction. Nobody is being allowed to move further, but you can see Mahagathbandhan workers trying to reach the barricading, the police trying to hold them, stop them, and it's getting difficult for the police personnel also, and the local administration here repeatedly asking the party leaders, supporters here to stop at this point of time, as they are not being allowed to move any further. But this is where the deadlock is here, and a showdown is taking place as these supporters want to move towards Election Commission office, and the police is trying to stop them here, and the police is having a challenging task here, stopping these workers.
That's right.
So it's a big showdown ahead of the assembly elections in Bihar, as Mahagathbandhan today on the streets of Patna, and they are trying to make a point, they are trying to prove a point that how the opposition is against the SIR which is going on in the state, and how Tejasvi Yadav and all the other leaders are demanding a rollback of the to immediately stop this entire exercise, as they believe that it's a conspiracy of the Election Commission to support a particular ruling party. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Rohit Singh getting us those details from Patna, where the protest of the Mahagathbandhan is happening right now.